Hello y'all, Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Hey, today I'm going to be doing something, sharing with something I promised y'all I was going to do all week. It's something I created years ago. The way I was thinking of a way, I used to smoke brisket all the time. Sometimes I have it left over. And I have a love for brisket, and I have a love for grilled cheese. And I was thinking, why don't I just combine the two together and create smoked brisket grilled cheese. So that's what I'm going to show y'all today. Right now I've already started my caramelized onions because I want a good caramelization on them and get that nice sweetness taste. So you have sweetness of the onion, sweetness of the old school barbecue sauce. You got the savory of the brisket and the saltiness of the cheese. So you got everything going together here. So I got my griddle heating up here. And I got my onions caramelizing. I'm gonna get my brisket here sliced up here. Got some old, not old brisket, but it's brisket I smoked 3 days ago. Here. I'm gonna slice some of this up. It's gonna go in there. The key is to slice it very thin. Very thin. That's the key. So it eats better. And I smoked this for, I didn't do a video on this one. I smoked this for about, let's say 4 or 5 hours. No, I didn't. I smoked this for 8 hours. This was a smaller brisket, so it didn't take as long to smoke. Slice a bit more of it up. And this is a big old Texas size sandwich, y'all. Texas size sandwich. Okay. This over here out the way. Okay. Got our brisket sliced. Found the onions here. So like I said, I want the onions good and caramelized. And I did the description of the recipe on the video. The recipe is the description. Hold on. This recipe is in the description of the video. Okay, it took me 3 times to say that. I'm not going to even edit that out. I'm going to show y'all how I messed that up. Okay. Now, onions is almost ready. I'm going to turn these off. Like I say, this is so simple and easy. The key is to have everything ready. Have everything good to go. Oh yeah, the caramelized onions. Take them out of there, put them in a bowl here. That's the key too to the brisket sandwich. Nice caramelized onions in there. Okay, now. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to move the camera over just a little. I can see what I'm doing. Okay, I got good old Texas toast here. You never heard of Texas toast? If you're not from Texas, all it is toast that's cut really, really thick. Real thick cut toast here. Not like a bread, not toast. See how thick it is? And it's going to make a big sandwich. I'm going to make 2 of them, matter of fact. Out of here. Okay, get this up out the way. Okay, the key to any grilled cheese, as you know, is lots of butter. You gotta have butter on the grilled cheese. Got to have real good butter on that. So we're gonna put a lot of butter on here. Make sure y'all can see what I'm doing. Move it over just a little. Yeah, y'all can see what I'm doing here. Butter on the bottom. It's going to be on the bottom of the bread. You want that nice color on that. Now, I got 3 types of cheeses here. I got mozzarella, Colby Jack, Colby cheddar, Monterey Jack, and Swiss. I use all these different kind of cheeses. And the key is not to have the grill too hot, not to have it too low. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my toast on here. Cheese is on here. cheese on there. Very important. You move fast on this, because this toast will burn on you quick. All right. Okay, there we go. Now, I'm going to put the onions next. And then the brisket. The brisket on there. And this thing is so thick, I'm going to finish it in the oven. And I'm going to put onions on top of this. And a little barbecue sauce. Put that on top of here. And that's pretty much it. Now, the key is just let it do its thing here. Let it do its thing. This over here. Can't go wrong with this. The key is to let the cheese melt. Turn it just a little, not much. See how easy that was? But the key is to have everything ready. But once you put it on that grill, because you don't want to burn up your grilled cheese. Hold on, I'm trying to slip away on it. Oh no, you don't. Oh no, you don't. Look at that. That's what you want. And what I do to kind of cheat, I'm going to put it in the oven about 10 minutes. Not even 10 minutes. About 2 or 3 minutes. And let that cheese melt additionally off. So we got that real gooey cheese. So I got a sheet pan here. I'm going to flip it back over this way. Flip it back over this way. I'm going to put it in the oven about 5 minutes here. And let that cheese melt off, and we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Been about 5 minutes. All right. Like I said, I put them in the oven. Look at that. About 5 minutes to just melt the cheese. Additionally, so let's cut these up here. Cut this up here. Bread knife here. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Can't go wrong with that up on that plate there. You cannot go wrong with this sandwich, y'all. Oh yeah. Cannot go wrong with this sandwich. Old school. Old school, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna let this cool just a little, but this cheese is very hot. And I'm gonna be right back, and we're gonna try it out. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back. Okay, let's try this thing. I know it's good. I make it all the time. Oh my God. Look at that juiciness of the meat. Let me get the knife and just show you. Let me show you here. Oh my God. See that juiciness of the meat and the cheese? See that? Look at that. That's what I like to see. You got the caramelization of the onions, a little bit of barbecue sauce. Look at that. Cheese is hot. Hey, look at that. Can't go wrong. I could literally eat all of these sandwiches. I ain't gonna do it. I'm gonna be nice and share. But anyway, give this video a thumbs up. Please share, please comment, please like. Please visit my other social media account, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.